I'm gonna show you how to do a simple maintenance on this copier. So first of all, you press clear mode 107 and then press and hold down the red key and the screen will change. So you're gonna get a new screen. So on the screen, go to Copy SP, the first one. So you go to this, and then you go to drum where it says 2XXX. So let's go to drum, and then we're gonna jump with the page down button by 10 numbers. So I'm looking for one more time, not here, so one more time, not here. Whoops, I think we missed that. Where is that? Supply, turn of supply mode. No, nothing here. Oh, so let's go to 3XXX. I think it's over here. So Forecd Self-Check. Okay, 3126. So you go to 3126, and it's gonna give you two options: number one, number two. We want to run both of them. So let's do this one first, number two, and you press execute. And the copier is going to run through the codes and it's going to check everything. It's checking your developer unit, and it should give us a reading 1111, 4 number ones. If it's not 1111, that means one of them is no good. So then we have to figure out which one is it. Usually number one is black, number one, oh, I'll show it to you. Let's just wait. Okay, completed. It means good, and over here should give you 1111. Each one is for each toner, for each developer unit. So if it reads like 4111, that first 4 will be black, developer unit is no good. So yeah. Alright, so this is one, and then we're gonna go the same with the number one for self-check. So it's checking everything, all the sensors and everything, and it should read also 1111. So it's a black, yellow, cyan, magenta. Again, if it's right, like 1114, that means magenta is bad. Okay, it's adjusting. I don't know why the focus is not working. Completed, and it reads also, you cannot see because this camera is just dinky. Yeah, so result 1111. Alright, so you run this one. Now we're gonna refresh the drum. So right below there's another code which is 3906. Press that. Nothing here. Okay.